Ibinahagi ni House Justice Chairperson Loestro na hindi kaagad natugunan ang impeachment complaint na hinaing para kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. dahil ang Secretary General ay nasa isang official business sa ibang bansa. Sinasabing hindi rin tinanggap ng kasunod ni Secretary General ang complaint dahil wala raw ang Secretary General.
The first impeachment complaint that has now been referred to the office of the Speaker. Does the office of the Secretary General have the right not to accept an impeachment complaint, any impeachment complaint, just because the chief is out of the country?
You know, Karen, that is a concern that falls squarely to the judgment of the Secretary General as to how she's going to exercise the power or duty to accept the impeachment complaint and to refer the same immediately to the office of the Speaker, given the fact that she was outside on an official business, no? Of course, I totally agree that that is ministerial for as long as it is signed, verified, and sponsored by a House member. However, during the time that the same is being filed with the Office of the Secretary General, she was out of the country on official business.
Dagdag pa niya na sa kasalukuyan ay tinutugunan na nila ang impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM.